Hi, I'm Tanya Ross of TDR Academy of Movement and Therapy. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to bring you information which will hopefully be linked into the video that you've watched previously about how to test yourself for the median nerve to see if there is a linked irritation with that part of the body. So make sure you have checked that video out first of all, because it'll let you know whether there's any point in doing this, but also the video on neurodynamic testing, because that will also give you some information as to how to apply these, because I'm not including all of that within this video. So watch them as a sequence and then build up into these movements. I'm providing you just with the gentle movements, which are which I learned through the Noi group linked with David Butler, and in terms of it we're trying to go through nerve sliding or nerve flossing. Whatever you want to call it, there's names for everything these days and everybody has an opinion about everything. At the end of the day, we're just trying to create some movement so that hopefully you feel better. So with this, the first movement that I'm going to take you through is balloon padding, and it's not to simplify it down to such a rudimentary level, but it's to link with the test. So if you imagine the test that we did, bringing the arm up and coming up into extension, maybe with a head movement, linking of side flexion or linking into that movement. The idea is that we're taking the wrist extension and a little bit of head movement. I like the term flossing, not everybody does, because we're trying to tease the nerve and move it along its path. So we're sliding it from one end to the other as opposed to pulling it apart as a tensioner. So with this movement, I'm coming into wrist extension and my head isn't moving away. I'm not looking at the other side. If I was padding a balloon, I would be going to this side. So I'm taking it open into wrist extension and my head is looking towards that side. Then I'm changing it to the other side. So if I was padding a balloon, feel free to get a balloon and do this movement. It just gives a little bit of movement through the nerve. And hopefully it's not irritating to the sense that it's not creating any symptoms which are familiar to you if you have been getting neural symptoms like pins and needles, numbness, burning, those sorts of things. So in terms of this as a movement, it's pretty simple. Do about up to 10 reps. You go to the point, if I move into this angle with my wrist and I feel symptoms, can I do it but do less? So I moderate it down. Or maybe if I'm not getting any symptoms, I can go through the full movement. But I don't want you to feel anything. It's okay if you're on the edge of something, but I don't want you to tap into anything, because then it's becoming almost like a tensioner. It's going to irritate the nerve again. So just going through those movements at a nice even pace, again, as if you're kind of padding the balloon, and hopefully it just feels like it's just general movement. Okay, around about up to 10 reps, and maybe over the course of the week building that up to around about 20. So I hope this has been helpful. Like the video if it has, and also leave us a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.